Hi guys, welcome to our 6th batch tutorial, and in this video we are going to be making a calculator. So first of all, our calculator will have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It'll have a random number function. It'll have one savable variable, so you can program a variable into it, and it'll have a pi button, and we may add some more things later. So for now, this is what we're going to do, and let's get started on that. So we have to make a new document, save it, we'll save it to our batch file right here, our batch directory, and we'll call it calculator. Okay, dot bat. Save that. So, we've got our directory right here, and we'll make a new folder called calculator, and we'll put these two files in it, the batch file and the text file. I think I just put, yep, sure did. So we have to pull that out now. Put it in there. Okay. So now we also need to make a text file called variable. In this text file we'll store our programmed variable. So yeah, but it doesn't have one. So let's just set for now 0. Okay, it has a default of 0. Now, let's edit. Okay, sorry. Let's edit our text file. Okay? So we have this file open here, and we're going to go at echo off, of course, what we always do. And I'm just going to quickly look up color help. And the first one is background, second foreground. So we want the foreground to be black, so we'll have F0. So here we'll have color F0. Okay, and up here we'll have title, it'll be calculator. Okay, and right now, if we open this, it looks like that. We got our nice little title there, and we got our colors right. Okay, you can do the colors whatever you want, doesn't matter. And now it's going to say input, or it's going to echo input number 1. Okay, so here we'll have set /p, and the variable will be num1, let's say, and it'll be equal to input number 1. And just add a space there just to make sure. Okay. So now, if we run this, it'll just say input number 1, and then we can whatever. Okay. So next thing we need to do is set /p. This will be, we'll call this operation. So it'll equal input operation. Just for clarification, we'll have that. Okay. So there. And then our space. Okay. So let's run that. Input number 1, 1. Input operation with plus. Okay, so that's all we got so far. So now I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. We're going to do this same thing, but with 2. Input number 2. Okay, so once that's done, it's going to say if %% operation is equal to that, the slash, then set /a answer equals, and it'll equal percent num1 or num1 divided by num2. That's how you do division in batch. And then we can just echo answer and go to, we'll call this start. Go to start. Okay? So now we have division set up. So let's just quickly try this out. Input number 1. 1 divided by 1. Oh, okay. I accidentally added then. I'm just used to doing that from other languages. So now try this 1 divided by 1, 1. And 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, so that works perfectly. Now let's make it so the other operations work. Let's just copy this and make it so that we have it 4 times. And now this will be multiplication, which is represented as an asterisk, addition, and subtraction. And now let's add the multiplication sign, the addition sign, and the subtraction sign. Okay, so yeah, let's try that again. So we can input one number, 56 minus 2, 54. Input 1, 27 plus that. Whoops, I did that slightly wrong. Okay, because, yeah, that didn't work because, you know, but whatever. So, that's that. We got all the operations here. Now let's move on to a bit more complex stuff. So if num1, or we gotta add one more line here. Echo input numbers pi m numbers pi m input numbers pi or m. So if num1 equals is equal to, or you know what, let's just take out the whole pi thing. That's not really, I don't know. Well, sure, we'll keep it for now. It can probably handle decimals, but we'll just see. If num1 equals pi, set /a equal to 3.14. We can even do 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3. But we'll just leave it there, okay? So, yeah. So we put input number 1, it'll be, if we try pi, then plus 2. Yeah, okay, so we're not going to do pi here. Pi will go away. So, m, let's work on it. If num1 equals m, or if equals m, then we want it to m to be then set slash a num1 equal to, it'll be memory. And memory will be loaded once we start the calculator. So once the calculator is opened, then we're going to go set slash, or no, echo high equal to the thing, or not high, what am I doing? Memory equal to the contents of, forget if we're supposed to have quotation marks around it or not, but whatever. I'll try it both ways. Variable.txt. That's what the file is called, so. Or what did I do? Echo? No. I didn't mean to do echo. I meant to do set slash p. Okay. So if I input m plus 2, then it's 2. Because m doesn't equal anything. But if I set, right now I just have to do it manually, but if I set m equal to 2, then I go m minus 1, it's 1, because m was 1. Okay? So now, we're going to add the addition of m plus. And again, we've also got to do this part here for m2. Okay, so this little section here is going to deal with the memory. Okay, so if num1 is equal to m plus, then set slash a, or no, not set, and then go to num plus. So we'll go to, it's a go-to statement, so it'll send it to the place that I want it to send it to. Okay, so this video will have to stop here. There will be a second part. And okay, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next episode.